my free Robux to this video. If it isn't now, I don't still care. Okay, guys. Yeah, watch this video. This is a new video of this. And actually, you can follow me if you want. Somebody's telling me. It says I'm a video of you. And Jimmy Good. I don't know. And this one get a free UGC. It's unlimited, but it's too hard to get. Okay, the strongest battlegrounds. Rainbow Friends 2, Adopt Me, Free Spin for free. Underground War, or Blocks Roots, Free UGC Dog, Secret Reward, 98% fail, Robux, +1 Robux every time. Easy Glass Bridge, Abby, Bended, The Ink, Digital Circus, Admin, Win Abby and get free Robux, The Roblox, Escape and Win, Midnight, Rostock, Racing Mansion of Wonder, Build It, Play It, Roblox in High School, Roblox Innovation, Free Limited, PUGC Free, and you on your block C. 99% Lobby, Roblox, Mega Easy. Please donate. I don't know. I didn't play any to donate. Given, Chief, Greedy, okay for UGC, Diabetes, Concert, The Hunt, First, Cheap, Fruits, Dogs Fruits, Lake Box Simulator Ready, Player 2, and McLaren. F1 Racing. I don't know. Let's go. Wait a minute, guys. Just wait for a minute. No, I'm not doing that. Brush. I need some brushy. Wait, what? See this? Yeah. We need that. Probably need that. Okay, let's go. Let's go to spin for free. Free spin for free. It's really a freaking tester. You're not a jester, aren't you? What the hell? No. Who is this guy? She have a dragon purple. She have a purple. Are you kidding me? Bro! I need so many bonus. Did I have 11k bonus? I have to buy some new shirt. Come on, 50 bonus. Yeah! Wait, I get nothing. Oh gosh. You piece of shit. Spin again. I'm not looking for this cheese. Really? Are you kidding me? Sucker, you suck. 50 bonus. Wait, how is that possible? Wait, oh, there's no new updates in here. But there's a new update. Claim. Real oldest update here too, I forgot. Wait, what the heck? Have you seen 104? No. Oh yeah, probably. And actually, you already know that I literally saw that in the bonus shop. I mean, no, him. You already know that I see that in the last video, so let's try. I I never seen that before. Okay, let's go. Make this hobby. Whee! Bruh. Okay, this guy's probably there. I will spend all my spins. I will spin so many times. I will spin so many times. I will spin so many times. I'm going to spin all 185 spins, bruh. Okay, I'm going to plan so many times. Spin. Tap, I get super lucky. You will do that thing. I didn't get anything. Come on, a little faster, you see? Yeah! Yeah, bonus. You need some bonus. Are you killing me? Stop, stop, stop. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Another T-bonus. I'm super lucky that I can get my bonuses. Excuse me, bro. What the heck? No way! That's a 5%. I got it. And then also have so many times I spent. 100. Okay, that's good. Let's go to the front. Oh, I keep getting bonus. No way! Another red! You kidding? What's the next? What's the next? But let's just keep spinning. I wanna auto spin. Why make me an Abby spin? Oh no, I almost got it. Oh my god, I almost got the nose. Can you just not stop? I'm not stopping. Okay. I literally did that. But what am I doing? Spin it. Oh, wait, spin. Oh, being while I'm spinning. Bro. Whee. Ouch. And then I spin it. Come on, Charles. If I get so many spins, I'm going to scream a lot. Because I will spin super an hour. This is going to be an hour, guys. What the heck? How did I miss it? I'm going to sprint it. Wait, what the heck? Wait, that's 500? Tree spin! I thought I was doing a bad one. Is this good? Nope. Nope. That's not good. Another spin is good. Probably. Probably. Spin again. I will keep spinning while. Wow, what the? Oh, oh, stop! No! Look at the spin. I didn't get nothing. Yes, sir! I have so many spins. I almost had 200. Come on, keep spinning, bro. Oh, last one. Wait. Guys, let me be first. Probably. Back, guys. What just happened? Oh, the spin! No, I gotta twist. No. Are you an L? You're a lol. You're a lol, bro. Oh, good. Bonus. I need to get only bonus. Only bonus. Grow it. Yeah, but. It's so sad. But I didn't realize that. I get super lucky. Yeah! Ow! You bite me while I'm spinning. You're not going to let me fight. Wait, come here. Come here. This one. I just did any sword. What the flip? Die. I always die with this freaking dust sword. Let me get so many bonuses. Come on. It's going to help me get so many spins. I don't really. Oh, you kidding? Are you trolling? While you're trolling, I'm going to get this freaking place out of here. I don't need 24 items. Oh yes, sir! Whee! Oh. Okay. No. Hell no! Okay, I don't need anything on this. I just need to put some in the water. It's probably the pink one. Yeah, it's not the pink one. Told you. No! Yeah, I'm cheating, guys. Don't worry about it. No! I'm 91. What the? Let's go on spins. There's another Abby. Can I get any Robux in it? Okay, I'm not making this an hour. If it's an hour, I'm going. What? Let it have so many spins. Stop. I'm with this freaking elevator. What the? No flipping way, man. Oh, the hell? Okay, that's my girl. Come on, girl. And wanted the XP fucking was the best. You're a burst, man. This is a troll. This is a troll. Stop trolling me, bro. Stop trolling me. Oh. Stop. Stop trolling. Okay, I didn't get it across. I literally get a T-spins. I was starting. How many bonuses do I get out? What the heck? 20,000. I have to wait so many times to get my 15 Robux. I mean 5 Robux. Are you kidding me? What is it? Why cloud? Really? Why always get picked down? Bro, stop! Stop giving me access. I'm going to make this one. Yes, sir. That's already $50. Hey, that boy is going standing still. What the? You kidding me? You kidding me? That's my friends. Really? I don't want to get a lot of things. I don't want to get a lot of things. I just want to dance. Oh, yes, sir. I think it's not going to make it. Are you trolling? That's the bonus. What the? Yeah, let's do that for a little. Wait, I'm going to play this game. Should I? Let's play it. I'm lagging! Oh, I'm back. Hey! VP, hi. Shot, what did you do? Shot. This is you, bro. Dark. Did I fall? I'm about to play basketball later, guys. Don't worry about it. What is this? Don't make it too hard! You're supposed to respond. Oh, somebody's in there. What did they do? we're back. We're back? Wait. This is so easy, bro. What are you doing? I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna make it. But it's a very easy way. Rainbow friends. What are you doing? Rainbow friends. What is that ladder? It's not a freaking ladder. What is that? I tried to make it clear. Oh, I get it. You want to make it too hard? It's not hard at all. Whee! Yo, what is this? I'm not showing them all this. Yes, let me just get out of here. Bye.
Ipaluto mo to kay may ano ako, ilagay mo muna doon sa rep dahil may ginagawa ako. Ang ina mo magdabo.